Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1688, that is count of matches and tournaments. So in this we'll be given an integer n, that will be the number of teams, and what we have to do, we have to return the total number of matches that will be played to declare the final winner. Okay, so in the first case, if we are having even number of teams, then what we'll do, we'll be playing n by 2 matches, and n by 2 teams will be advancing to the next round. Okay, so it is obvious, like if we are having 4 teams, so 2 matches will be played between the 4 teams, and only 2 teams will advance to the next round. Similarly, if we are having the number of teams as odd, n minus 1 by 2 matches will be played, and what we'll be doing, n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 teams will be advancing to the next round. So let's declare a variable answer. It's not a very difficult question, it's just a simulation part. Now let me just zoom in. Yeah, my answer is equal to 0, and what I'll be doing, I'll be setting that my while n is not equal to 1. Okay, so I'll be changing that if my n is even, what I'll be doing, I'll be updating my answer as n with the floor value of 2, and I'll be updating my n as n by 2. Then else what I'll be doing, I'll be updating my answer is equal to n minus 1 with the floor value and n by n plus 1 by 2, and at the end I'll be just returning answer. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it's just taking a while. Oh, it says TLE exceeded. Okay, I don't know why. It shows this while. Okay, n is not equal to 1. Sorry. Yeah. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And yeah, and it gets accepted, and it works also fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.